So something that we can use to rewrite any logarithm in terms of common or natural logarithms is the change of base formula. So this allows us to evaluate any logarithm with a calculator. And what the change of base formula tells us is that log base c of a is equal to log of a over log of c, and log base c of a is equal to the natural log of a over the natural log of c. So what this is telling us is that we can use log or natural log here. It doesn't matter, you're going to end up with the same answer at the end. And we'll see that here in these examples. So first, for number 1, I want to evaluate log base 3 of 8 using common logarithms. And so that means I'm using just log base 10. And so our change of base formula tells us that log base c of a is equal to log of 8 over log of 3. So whatever your base is, so this one is 3, that's going to be in the denominator. And going over to our calculator, we can go ahead and calculate this by typing log of 8 divided by log of 3. And so if we are going to go ahead and round that to 3 decimal places, we get that that is approximately 1.893. Okay, now to see that these are just going to be equal, so we can use either one. We're going to evaluate the same log, but we're going to use natural logarithms. So I want to change this log to say natural log. And when I do that, I get the same answer. So natural log of 8 over natural log of 3, and I get 1.893, just like I got for number 1. Let's look at 2 more. So number 3 says to evaluate log base 12 of 30 using common logarithms. So using my change of base formula, this is going to be equal to log of 30 over log of 12. And so typing that in, I have log, here I'm just going to go ahead and change these both to saying log. So log of 30 over log of 12. And rounding that, I get that this is approximately 1.369. Okay, looking at last one, here it says evaluate log base 6 of 24 using natural logarithms. So using natural logarithms, this is going to be equal to natural log of 24 over natural log of 6 using our change of base formula. And now using our calculator, changing these both to saying natural log. I have natural log of 24 divided by natural log of 6. And rounding that, I get that this is approximately 1.774.